Hello, welcome to English with AXA. Listen and practice these easy dialogues and improve your spoken English. Why did you do all this to him?
Because he is my friend.
It is too expensive.
I can give you 20% discount.
I failed again.
Don't give up, you can do it.
Do you want to meet him again?
No, I don't want to meet him.
What do you do?
I work as a food delivery boy.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I love my job.
What do you think of my problems?
They can be easily solved if you pay attention.
Where do you work?
I am a teacher at Oxford University.
Do you like cars?
Yes, I like cars.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak fluently.
I never thought you could do it.
I worked really hard.
Please have a seat.
Thank you.
You made the best meal.
Glad you like it.
But how can you do it?
I have learned a lot about it.
Do you need help?
Yes, please.
Do you know that?
Yes, I know the details.
Can you decide what to do next?
Yes, I'll help my mother in household chores.
How many dollars do you have?
I think about $500.
How do you feel today?
I feel good today.
Do you have something more to tell?
No, I don't want to tell anything more.
Did you enjoy the show?
Yes, I was enjoying the show.
Do you need to go to the doctor?
Yes, I need to go.
Why didn't you share it with me?
Why didn't you share it with me?
What is she doing?
I think she is doing some illegal task.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, I am ready.
Thanks for watching.